Hello everyone. In this video, we will go through the steps to download Java for Windows 11. First, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar at the top, type java.com and press Enter. This will take you to the official Java website. Once you are on the Java homepage, look for the button or link that says Download Java. Click on it. Your browser will start downloading the Java installer. Once the download is complete, go to your Downloads folder. Find the Java installer file, double-click on it to open the Java installer. In the installation window, click Install to begin. The installer will copy the necessary files to your computer. You may see a progress bar showing how much is complete. Once it finishes, you will see a message saying the installation is successful. Click Close to exit the installer. At this point, Java is installed on your Windows 11 computer. You can check if it's installed successfully by going to Command Prompt or PowerShell. Inside PowerShell, type Java, version, and press Enter. This will show you current version of Java. Thanks for watching.